head-on. AI-powered SMT leverages the power of artificial intelligence to automate and optimize the production process. It can quickly adapt to changes in the product mix, significantly reducing setup times. This means manufacturers can switch between different products with ease, leading to shorter lead times. Moreover, AI-powered SMT can drastically reduce error rates. By eliminating the need for manual labor in the production process, it minimizes the chances of human error. This not only improves product quality but also reduces waste. And let's not forget about cost. By automating the production process, AI-powered SMT can lower labor costs. Plus, its intelligent decision-making capabilities can further drive down costs by optimizing resource usage. Finally, AI-powered SMT offers scalable solutions. It can easily handle an increasing product mix, allowing manufacturers to scale up production without the need for major investments. So, AI-powered SMT seems to offer a promising solution, but what exactly does this mean for manufacturers? AI-powered SMT has the potential to revolutionize high-mix, low-volume production. The benefits are manifold, and they start with heightened efficiency. By predicting and managing production in real time, AI-powered SMT reduces downtime and boosts productivity. It's like having a smart assistant that never sleeps, constantly optimizing workflow. Then there's the matter of cost. With AI at the helm, the need for manual intervention diminishes, leading to significant savings in labor costs. That's money that can be reinvested into innovation, growth, and customer satisfaction. Quality also sees a big boost. The precision and consistency of AI eliminates human error, ensuring each product meets the highest standards. And when it comes to flexibility, AI-powered SMT is unmatched. It can easily adapt to changes in product range, making it an ideal choice for high-mix, low-volume production. With AI-powered SMT, the future of high-mix, low-volume production looks brighter than ever. It's not just about surviving, but thriving in a world of diverse products.